Hello YouTubers, I am making a series of videos on Facebook Open Graph debugging. This is the first video in the series, so let's start. Here is the site having issues regarding Facebook Open Graph, although the tags are added properly in the header section. As you can see that Facebook debugger is not showing the proper details. So first thing we can do is click on see exactly what scrappers see your URL. By clicking it, it will give us an idea of how Facebook scrapper is getting our page. As you can see that it is getting nothing, means the Facebook scrapper is unable to scrap anything. At this point we don't have any information on what the reason may be, so we can just go to Open Graph Object Debugger and we will put the link in input URL box and we will click on fetch new scrapper information. Although I have scrapped it before, as you can see that it's showing an error, which is curl error, operation timeout after 10,000 milliseconds with 0 byte received. The main reason of this error is that the loading time of site is too much, and that's why the scrapper is unable to scrap the whole page and it's throwing a curl error. To rectify this error, go to your WordPress installation and go to plugins section and click on add new plugin and search for plugin with name cache. Here you can see that there are a lot of plugins. You can install any one of them, but I would recommend WP Super Cache or W3 Total Cache. I will install WP Super Cache and after installation I will activate it. Once it is activated, you can go to plugin admins page to enable the cache. And in this page select caching on and click on update status. Now go back to Open Graph Object Debugger and click on fetch new scrapper information. It's still showing the old error. Now click fetch new scrappers information again and wait for the page to load. As you can see now, the error has been rectified, but the image is still not showing, so we will click it once again. And now as you can see that it's showing the correct image with the relevant Open Graph tags. This was it. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe this channel.